In SLR parsing for the grammar, in state 0, inputs A and B. Some options are given. What is possible? State 0. In SLR parser, it uses LR of 0 items. To find LR of 0 items, we start with augmented grammar, that is E dash tends to dot at the beginning. Because dot is at the beginning, we have to add E productions into the same closure set. What were the E productions? E tends to E, E, E. And second production is E tends to E, E, E. The third production, E tends to epsilon. E tends to epsilon going to generate only one item, we call E tends to dot. All these added production, dot should be at the beginning. Okay, dot should be at the beginning. This all will be considered as a state 0. Zeroth state, you observe friends, E tends to dot is there. E tends to dot, we call it as a reduced production. It means reduction with epsilon is completed. This is called one reduce action. And here E tends to dot B, it is a terminal. E tends to dot A, it is also a terminal. This next leads to a shift action. Means item 0, the parsing table on input A, input B, and see this after move one position to the right will gives to some item 1. B, if it moves B dot EAE, it is going to give some more state, we can call 2. We can call 0 on A, it is shifted to 1. 0 on B, we call it is shifted to 2. E tends to dot the reduction. Reduction in SLR parser is to be done in all the follow terminals of E. It means E tends to dot to be reduced in which symbols? Follow of symbols. The follow of E. Follow of E is a starting non-terminal, we can call dollar. Is following B, here you observe the next symbol after E is called follow symbol, we call B. Is also following A because after E we have A. Means the follow of E called AB dollar, so that E tends to dot is to be reduced, means E tends to epsilon is to be reduced. Reduce E tends to epsilon in A, reduce E tends to reduce E tends to epsilon in B, and it should also be done in the dollar. Reduce E tends to epsilon, it should be written. That in the item 0 means in the state 0, on input A, on input B, we have one shift action as well as one reduce action. One shift and one reduce. It is called in SLR parser shift reduce conflict. Reduce conflict. Now the question is, in state 0 for input A and B, here for input A and B, what is the condition? Both input A and input B is having one shift and one reduce. That answer is option A, both will have shift reduce conflicts. Option B given only A will have shift reduce conflict, it is incorrect because it is given only. Similarly, option C is incorrect and D is also incorrect. So answer for question 1 is option A.